Alrighty, we're out here tonight at my buddy's farm. He purchased this here fine rig, and we're gonna be removing the damaged parts tonight because he thinks he's gonna be replacing them. Not much has happened since I bought it and got it running since the last video, but hopefully that's gonna change. He wants to pull off pretty much all the front clip, anything that's damaged, and he talked about pulling the bed off because he wants a new one of those also, because this one's pretty rough. We got her inside. Not much has changed since the last time it was on YouTube. It's got new plug wires. Do you do anything else to it?
Battery.
Right now, new battery.
I cleaned it, washed windows.
Yeah, we're just gonna pull off all the damaged stuff because he thinks he's gonna fix it. So yeah.
So we gotta pull this out.
We gotta pull it off. It looks like someone already did get in there a while back to try to get it. What happened to it is a garbage truck backed into it in like 2001, and it got parked forever.
That's healthy.
Yeah. So far, I got the steps off, fucked up fender off, this side of the grill off. He's working on getting that side off. This step's off. It's kind of all we're doing right now. Are you taking the bumper off?
Yeah.
Okay, the bumper will come off.
The bed's gonna come off.
The bed's gonna come off? Okay.
Making a flatbed for him, making a nice farm truck. Put a 4BP coming in there.
Alright, we got officially all the really broken parts off. Bumper's gonna stay on for now. And I think we're gonna move to the bed next. He's gonna crawl under there and torch out all the bolts so he can get started building his custom flatbed on there. Whoa! Whoa! Chain came off. Huh.
Let's see if we can pick it up now because I don't want to tip all the shit out of it.
That's true. Alrighty, so we got the bed offer. Old hero over there is going to build himself a new bed. A flatbed of sorts. Utility bed, kinda. It's going to be real nice. Once this gets new doors and a new fender and the grill and all that, it'll be a damn nice truck. Big work this cab needs is that the floor. The rockers are pretty good. Cab corners aren't bad. They're going a little, but they're pretty good still. But yeah. Till next time, that's Francine the Ford.